Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I'm going to show how to make custom water bottle labels for a birthday party or any special event. These labels are super easy to make, look professional, and can completely transform simple water bottle into a personalized party decoration. I've already made several water bottle label designs before. For example, here is a groovy theme design I created for a previous party. For today's tutorial, I will be creating a Peppa Pig birthday label step by step, so you can see the entire process from start to finish. For this project, I like to use the small individual water bottles. They are perfect for kids' parties. They are easy to hold, easy to finish, and they are less waste. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the original bottle label. Then I will measure it so I know exactly what size I need for my custom design. For these bottles, the label size is 8 inches by 1. This measurement may vary depending on the bottle brand, so I always recommend measuring your bottle before creating your design. Next, I will open Canva and create a custom design using these dimensions. One of my favorite things about Canva is how easy it is to customize party decorations. You can search the theme you are looking for and then choose the elements for your design. I wouldn't dwell on the design right now. If you are familiar with Canva, it's pretty simple to do. Here is my labels design. It's very easy to adjust. For example, another name or theme. When my design is ready, I download it. Once the label design is finished, I like to create a second Canva file that's sized to a standard letter size sheet, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. Then I upload my finished label design into that file and duplicate it as many times as possible to maximize the space on the page. For my layout, I was able to fit 10 labels on a single sheet. Once the design is finished, it's time to print. I download the full sheet and print that file directly onto my waterproof sticker paper from HTV. It holds up much better on water bottles and gives a more professional look. After printing, you will need to cut the labels. You can absolutely use regular scissors, but I will use my paper trimmer. For me, it makes the process much faster and gives perfectly straight cuts. Then simply wrap the label around the bottle, smooth it down, and your custom party favor is ready. I hope this tutorial gives you some inspiration for your next celebration. I also have tutorial how to make labels for Capri Sun juice. Highly recommend to check out this tutorial too. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!